Ever felt like you're playing a high-stakes game of appointment Tetris? You know, that frantic scramble to snag a slot, only to find everything's booked solid? You're clicking, refreshing, hoping against hope for a cancellation, and then nothing. Just the cold, hard reality of a full schedule. And you think to yourself, there's got to be a better way. Maybe you're a busy therapist, a sought-after stylist, or a popular fitness instructor. Your schedule fills up faster than you can say, next appointment. Or perhaps you're the client, the one desperately trying to book that essential service, only to be met with a digital sorry, we're fully booked. We've all been there, haven't we? That moment of frustration when you realize the perfect appointment is just out of reach. And in today's fast-paced world, where time is our most precious commodity, these scheduling headaches can feel like a major roadblock. So, let's cut to the chase. You're probably here because you're wondering about a very specific solution to this problem, a potential lifeline in the sea of booked appointments. You're asking, does Acuity scheduling have a waitlist feature? It's a fantastic question, and one that many of you are likely grappling with. After all, a waitlist can be a game changer. It can transform those frustrating, fully booked moments into opportunities, turning potential lost clients into loyal customers. But before we dive into the nitty-gritty of Acuity's features, let's take a moment to understand why waitlists are so crucial in the first place. Think about it. A waitlist isn't just a list of names. It's a powerful tool that demonstrates demand, captures potential revenue, and improves customer experience. When a client sees a waitlist, they know your services are in high demand, adding an element of exclusivity and desirability. It also shows that you value their time and are committed to accommodating them even when your schedule is packed. For businesses, waitlists provide valuable insights into customer preferences and peak demand times. They help you anticipate future needs, optimize your scheduling, and potentially even expand your services. For clients, a waitlist offers a glimmer of hope, a chance to snag that coveted appointment even when the schedule is full. It provides a sense of control and reduces the frustration of constant refreshing and checking. Now, let's get back to the core question. Does Acuity scheduling offer a waitlist feature? The answer, as with many software features, is nuanced. Acuity doesn't have a dedicated, built-in waitlist button that automatically adds clients to a separate queue. However, Acuity does offer a range of features that can be combined to effectively create and manage a waitlist system. Let's break down how you can achieve this. 1. The Notify Me or Join the Waiting List approach. One effective method is to create a specific appointment type called Waiting List or Notify Me. This appointment type would be set up with zero duration and would be free or have a minimal fee. When a client finds your schedule fully booked, they can select this Waiting List option. You can customize the confirmation email and reminder messages for this appointment type to explain the process. For example, you can state that they'll be notified if a slot becomes available or if you open up new appointment times. This method allows you to collect client contact information and build a list of people interested in your services. You can then manually reach out to them when an opening arises. 2. Utilizing custom forms and tags. Acuity's custom form feature allows you to gather specific information from clients when they book an appointment. You can create a custom form field asking, would you like to be added to the waitlist? By combining this with Acuity's tagging system, you can automatically tag clients who answer yes to this question. This allows you to easily filter and manage your waitlist within Acuity. 3. Leveraging Acuity's reporting and exporting features. Acuity's reporting features enable you to export client data, including contact information and tags. You can then use this data to create a separate waitlist spreadsheet or CRM list. This method provides more flexibility in managing your waitlist and allows you to use external tools for communication and follow-up. 4. Utilizing Acuity's availability settings. Acuity allows you to manage your availability with great precision. You can set up recurring availability, block off specific times, and even create custom availability schedules for different appointment types. By carefully managing your availability, you can strategically open up new slots and notify clients on your waitlist. You can also utilize Acuity's buffer times to build in flexibility, and accommodate potential cancellations. 5. Integrating with third-party tools. Acuity integrates with a variety of third-party tools, including email marketing platforms and CRM systems. You can leverage these integrations to automate your waitlist management and communication. For example, you can integrate Acuity with MailChimp or ConvertKit to automatically add clients to a waitlist email list when they book the waiting list appointment type. These integrations can significantly streamline your workflow and make it easier to manage a large waitlist. Don't let those fully booked moments turn into lost opportunities. Embrace the power of the waitlist and transform your scheduling challenges into scheduling successes. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.